Rakhi Sawant on Wednesday took to Instagram to share pictures with superstar Salman Khan. In the pictures, Rakhi is seen wearing a white traditional salwar suit with heavy jewelry, while Salman can be seen wearing grey t-shirt. Rakhi captioned the post, "My God brother, king of the king, one and only Salman Khan. God उनको सारी खुशियां दें, उनकी सारी मुराद पूरी हो." Rakhi was a finalist on season 14 of Bigg Boss. She walked away with rupees 14 lakh from the show during the grand finale on Sunday. Actress Shilpa Shetty Kundra is enjoying a cozy vacation with husband Raj Kundra in Maldives. On Thursday, the actress shared a picture of herself where she is seen wearing a leopard print bikini. She captioned the post, "Just felt like creating some waves today." Shilpa, Raj and their friends went for dolphin spotting on Wednesday. The couple were lucky enough to spot the dolphins in the ocean. Shilpa managed to capture the same on her camera and shared the video on Instagram. She captioned the post, "Dolphin spotting, lucky in love." Shilpa is currently all set to return on screen this year with Hangama 2 and Nikamma. Actor Shahid Kapoor turned 40 today. His brother Ishan, who shares a close bond with him, took to Instagram to wish his bade bhai on his special day with a cute throwback picture. Ishan shared a then and now picture of them together. He borrowed the lyrics from Rajesh Khanna's song from Anand and wrote, "Zindagi kaisi hai paheli hai, kabhi to hasaye, kabhi ye rulaye. But through it all, I'll always love you, bade bhai. Happy birthday." On the work front, Shahid is waiting for the release of his upcoming film Jersey. The upcoming sports drama is a Hindi remake of Telugu hit of the same name. The Hindi version is directed by Gautam Tinori, who also helmed the 2019 original. The story is about a talented but failed cricketer named Arjun, who decides to make a comeback in his late 30s and play for India in order to fulfill his son's wish. Actress Jasmine Bhasin took to Instagram on Thursday to share a special birthday wish for her boyfriend Ali Goni. The two have jetted off to Kashmir to celebrate his birthday with his family. "Happy birthday, my hero. This smile on my face in the picture is because of you, and you always kept the smile on since I met you. Looking at your eyes every day, you remind me of everything that makes me smile. You have changed my life ever since you came into my life. Love you with all my heart, my best friend, and my love," posted Jasmine along with a picture with Ali from the celebrations. Ali too left a sweet comment on Jasmine post. He wrote, "Thank you, Meri Laila." A video of Ali cutting his birthday cake has also been doing the rounds. Ali wore a combination of red and black, while Jasmine looked stunning in a lime green salwar suit. The two became friends while shooting the stunt-based reality show Khatron Ke Khiladi, and love blossomed in the Bigg Boss house. She was even his connection during the family week on the show. Actress Kangana Ranaut's much-awaited film Thalaivi is all set to release in theatres on April 23. The makers made the announcement on Wednesday on the occasion of 73rd birthday of the actress turned politician J. Jayalalitha, whose life is depicted in the film. Kangana took to Instagram to share the news. She wrote, "To Jaya Amma on her birth anniversary, from changing the face of cinema to the fate of a state, Jaya Amma shaped destinies of millions." Witness the story of the legend Thalaivi in cinemas on 23rd of April 2021. The triangular film will release in Hindi, Tamil and Telugu. The film is directed by A.L. Vijay and is also features Arvind Swamy, Prakash Raj, Madhu and Bhagyashree in key roles. The film will showcase the life of late former Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu, from her rise in the world of films as an actress to becoming a powerful politician. For the role, Kangana is said to have gained 20 kilos and undergone body transformation.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.